Grabovoi concentration exercises for the 19th day of the month. Exercise number 1. On the 19th day, you should concentrate on external phenomena, in which something that initially existed as a single whole then became transformed into a sum total of individual parts. One example of this is a storm cloud that becomes transformed into individual raindrops. Another example is the crown of a tree that transforms into individual falling leaves. While you are concentrating on these or similar phenomena, try to discover the laws under which such a development of events can be prevented. The purpose of this concentration exercise is to uncover such laws. Exercise number 2. 7-digit sequence of numbers. 1, 2, 5, 4, 3, 1, 2. 9-digit sequence. 1, 5, 8, 4, 3, 1, 9, 8, 5. Exercise number 3. The struggle of the spirit for its rightful place in the world, as well as the struggle of your soul for the embodiment of the Creator, results in your reason and your mind becoming controllable. Your consciousness now belongs to everyone, and your portion of consciousness becomes a part of universal consciousness. You become what you are. Your eternity is revealed in your reflections, and your contemplations become eternity. Your thoughts make the world eternal. You will be where you are, and you will be where you are not, and you will be there forever, although the world consists of intervals of time. And wherever you may be, an interval of time will become the world, and space will unite with eternity. Time will retreat, and you will be in movement and in eternal time. You will feel the eternal time, and this eternal time will come to you. Every instant of your time is eternal. Feel the eternity in every instant, and you will see that eternity is already part of your life.